Leo. Good to see you again. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. A little busy, but good.
Busy day?
Yes, I had a lot of messages and things to do in the morning.
I understand. Sometimes mornings are crazy.
Yes, very crazy.
Well, I'm glad you're here now.
Yes, me too.
So before we start, did anything interesting happen today?
Yes, actually. I met a new neighbor in my building.
Oh, really? That's nice. Did you talk?
Yes, very simple conversation. Just hello and nice to meet you.
Perfect timing, because today's topic is exactly that, meeting new people.
Wow, good coincidence.
Yes. So today we practice simple English for meeting someone for the first time.
Great. This is very useful for life, travel, work, everything.
Exactly. Everyone needs this. Simple, friendly English.
Perfect. Let's start.
Okay. Imagine this situation. You meet someone new. What do you say?
Hello, my name is Leo.
Exactly. Very good. And the other person says, nice to meet you.
Yes, I hear this in movies a lot.
It's very common in real life, too. Let's practice slowly. Hello. My name is Emma.
Hello, my name is Leo.
Listeners, repeat after us. Hello, my name is. Great job.
And then you say, nice to meet you.
Yes. And the other person answers, nice to meet you too.
Very simple and friendly.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Perfect.
Emma, can we do a full short introduction conversation?
Yes, let's show a natural example. Hello, my name is Emma.
Hi, my name is Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Leo.
Very simple.
Yes, and very useful.
Emma, what other questions can we ask when we meet someone?
Good question. Simple questions are the best. For example, where are you from? What do you do? Meaning your job. Do you live here? Is this your first time here?
Yes, these sound friendly.
Exactly. Not too personal. Just small talk.
Small talk is hard for some people.
Yes, but with simple English, it becomes easy.
So, how do you answer where are you from?
You can say, I'm from Canada. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Iran. I'm from Turkey.
Yes, very simple.
Let's practice with our listeners. Listeners say, I'm from. Good.
And what do you do means what is your job?
Right. For example, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm a designer. I'm an engineer. I'm a driver.
Listeners, repeat one. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. Good.
Perfect. Now, let's do a scenario. Imagine I meet Leo at a cafe for the first time.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, is this seat free?
Oh, yes. It's free. You can sit here.
Thank you. By the way, my name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Leo. Do you live here?
Yes, I live close to this cafe. And you?
Yes, I live nearby. I come to this cafe often.
Oh, that's cool. I like this place.
Me too. And what do you do?
I'm a student right now. What about you?
I'm an English teacher.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
That felt very natural.
Yes, a simple real-life conversation.
Emma, maybe we can teach polite expressions too.
Yes, great idea. When you meet someone new, you can say, how are you? How's your day? Where are you from? What do you do? Nice to meet you.
Also, have a great day. It was nice talking to you.
Yes, perfect polite endings.
These help you sound friendly.
Yes, let's practice a few. It was nice talking to you.
Have a great day.
Listeners, repeat after us. Great job.
Emma, what about body language? It's important too, right?
Yes, good point. When meeting someone new, smile. Speak slowly. Look at the person, not too much. Be polite.
Yes, it helps communication.
Exactly.
Okay, Emma, maybe we can talk about common mistakes people make.
Yes, many beginners forget to say, nice to meet you.
Yes, sometimes they just say name and stop.
Yes. For example, my name is Leo. Silence.
Yes, sounds a little strange.
So always add, nice to meet you.
Good tip.
Another mistake, answering how are you with too much detail.
Haha, yes. Some people say, I'm tired. I woke up late. My cat was sick. I didn't eat. Life is hard. Too much for a first meeting.
Exactly. For a first meeting, keep it simple. I'm good, thanks. And you?
Easy and friendly.
Yes. Okay, listeners. Let's do practice time now. Question 1. What's your name? Answer out loud. Good.
Question 2. Where are you from? Great.
Question 3. What do you do? Very good.
Let's do a final role play for listeners. A full meeting conversation.
Yes, let's do it. Hello, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Leo. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from Canada. Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby. And you?
Yes, I live close too. So, what do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm an English teacher.
Oh, very nice. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Have a great day.
You too.
Perfect. Very natural and friendly.
Yes, anyone can use this in real life.
Exactly. Let's review. Today, we learned how to meet someone new. How are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Nice to meet you. It was nice talking to you.
Very important for daily life. Travel, new friendships, everything.
Yes, and simple sentences make communication easier.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We are proud of you. Practice these sentences today.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.